We all know that grief is something universal. We all have been through grief at some point, be it the loss of an important relationship, moving to a new city, getting out of an age group, right? Job loss, employment loss. Grief is basically a natural reaction to loss. While it is a universal process, I think all of us can grieve very differently. Researchers have found many different ways to conceptualize grief. They come up with the 5 stages of grief. Recently, I've read about the different types of grieving styles, but the truth is, the process of grieving is still a very unique one and a very individualized one. So I just wanted to share a bit more about this grieving style with you. There are 2 of them. So typically, people present a mix of these 2 grieving styles. We can either tend towards more of the intuitive side of grieving style, or we can adopt more of an instrumental type of grieving style. And a person with an intuitive type of grieving style, they are usually the typical intuitive, like the name suggests. You tend to express your emotions, you tend to talk about your feelings, you discuss your feelings, you discuss your thoughts about the loss. You're willing to share your emotions. Sometimes it means overly expressing your emotions, like crying really easily. But a person with an instrumental grieving style is basically the opposite, right? They do not discuss their emotions. They tend to differentiate between their thoughts and their feelings a lot as part of the symptoms of grieving. They can be very preoccupied with activities planning, analyzing, and this is kind of their way to keep themselves distracted or to gain more control of their environment. So when a person, tends to not behave in ways that are expected of them. For instance, females are usually more towards the intuitive type of grievers, right? And they're expected to. It's observed in society that females tend to display more of an intuitive grieving style, while males tend to display more of an instrumental grieving style. But when a female does not display an overt expression of emotions, what it means is she might be faced with criticism or certain judgment. People might think, why is she not feeling sad, right? Why is she not grieving the right way? So the implication of all this is, if we tend to judge people for expressing grief in a way that is not according to our expectations, right, then we may be adding another layer of complexity and thereby complicating their grieving process.